they should scan all the tickets to be sure that we all pay tickets.
Okay.
That's normal.
See the cats?
Yeah.
Everywhere.
Kitty cats everywhere.
بيقولوا هاي البنات. Okay.
So the mosque was oh yeah, those look healthy.
We're going to the mosque and we're going to talk about
And what year was the mosque built?
this is, I'm going to talk about it after. You see, those dogs are clean, so they look healthy.
Yeah, they are clean.
Yeah. When a dog or the pet is clean, it looks healthy.
Yeah.
Here,
Okay.
this is 10 Egyptian pounds per one. So
Egyptian
you have money, you have Egyptian pounds.
No, I don't have Egyptian, but just dollars. I never got any. Can I use dollars?
I'll pay you in Egyptian pounds.
I'll pay you back.
It will be 20 Egyptian pounds. I'll give it to you. Oh no, 20 Egyptian.
Yeah, it's 30 per.
$1 is 30 Egyptian
Yeah,
pounds.
so
Right.
it's less than a dollar.
Yeah, less than a dollar. Here.
I think you have some Egyptian money. Don't you have some
Okay, let's
Egyptian
go
money?
this way.
هذا 20.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because everything you can pay it in credit.
That's what I'm
Yeah.
Yeah.
Except when you
for
go to the
here.
bathroom. Except when you go to the bathroom.
Except for this, you don't.
Except for this.
Yeah.
Yeah, when we went to Iran, had to bring all cash. It's scary because you have so much money. This is the one we saved from down. And this is all alabaster, the translucent stones.
Oh, yeah. That's a COVID cough. There was a lady at the gift shop coughing up a storm.
They're
They're
everywhere.
the COVID cough. You can't escape, man.
It's international.
Your time is here.
It's international.
Okay, we're going from the front.
Okay.
Because that's the mosque. Well, let's go to the courtyard from here.
Wow, this is beautiful.
They don't do it in the mosque. They do it out here.
They do what out here?
The katbiktab.
Oh, Katiktab.
I'll give you time for at the end for the pictures, okay? Victoria, we're coming back here. I'm going to give you the time. 15 minutes. When we finish, I'll give you the time for your pictures. This is the outer courtyard of the Mosque of Muhammad Ali. And in the middle, this is an ablution place. And there, it's the clock tower. Ablution place, it's a place where they should do the wash before going inside the mosque to pray. For each prayer, they should wash. Muhammad Ali. To one another, like the wooden statues that you've seen in the museum, that's the same idea, at least more than one. And the shrine in heaven that have gold sheets is 24-karat gold. And the construction held the echo of the voice. That's why you can see the people are saying Allahu Akbar to show you the echo of the voice before electricity came.
The acoustics. Acoustic is
This
acoustic
is exactly
design.
like Aya Sophia, Aya Sophia. And now the one to the right.
There's another mosque.
Yes, that's the Mosque of Muhammad Ali. Yeah, this is outside the Citadel. And of course, by the Nile, this is where Cairo Tower is. The museum, it is near the Nile Ritz Hotel, which is the white blue building there on a distance.
Okay.
That's the Nile. Yeah. Cairo Tower.
That's Cairo Tower? No,
That's Cairo Tower from the outer walls of Cairo, okay? That and will end to the market. The market dates back to the 14th century. The Camel Kalini market. But El Mu'azz Street, actually, it covers mosques from the 10th century till the 19th century.
How do you spell that street? El Mu'azz.
Mu'azz, M-O-A-Z.
M-O-A-Z. Okay.
Mu'azz. Because you don't have the letter